Primetime news this evening. Public contradiction. Prime Minister and opposition leaders spat over DPP tenure continues. Switching sides. Councillor crosses the floor to join ruling JLP. Replacement. New chairman sworn in for St. Anne Municipal Corporation. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. On air and online at onespotmedia.com, I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Perseus. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
And we will have the feedback question in just a minute. But we'll be back with the news right after this break.